This 2012 BMW 6 Series is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. BMW 650i xDrive convertible cold weather package luxury seating package 4.4 LDOHC bi-turbo V8 engine 8-speed automatic transmission wheel drive system navigation system rear view camera keyless and tri-keyless start fog lamps cruise control adjustable steering wheel power automatic windows power door locks gray metallic exterior black leather interior black convertible soft top floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 650i xDrive convertible is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not risk. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.